Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm currently working on building my YouTube channel, and there's something that I noticed that I think that all YouTube content creators should know, and that has to do with the video quality of your YouTube video. I've read a lot of blogs, I've watched a lot of videos where they talk about having the right lighting equipment, having the right camera, different platforms to record your video, different platforms to edit your video. And these are all important. But there's something that is not spoken so much about, and that has to do with the YouTube platform itself. Because even with having the right video quality, and you don't really think about YouTube, you upload the process of you uploading your video, because there's one mistake that so many people make, and I also made this mistake, and that has to do with uploading your video and then publishing it immediately. Like, if you can see, this is the recent video I uploaded to YouTube, and it took them 1 hour and 10 minutes. Like, it took YouTube 1 hour and 10 minutes to process this video for 4K. So if you're uploading your video and then you're publishing it immediately, you're not giving YouTube the time to process your video, so that when your viewers are watching your video, they can actually watch your video in a great quality. So I advise you to schedule your video. Like, any video you're uploading to YouTube, always schedule it. If you want to publish your video, if you want your video to be published by 2 p.m., make sure to upload your video by 12 p.m. or by 12:30 p.m. and then schedule it to be published by 2 p.m. So with this, you give YouTube the time to process your video. So I want you to know this. Everything that you're doing about video quality, take this to mind. You need to always schedule your video. Always schedule your video. It's very important. And if you have any tips to share, maybe you're just building your channel, or you have already gone far in your YouTube journey, if there's anything you want to share, please share it in the comment section. I would love to know more about it. And don't forget to subscribe, or wherever you are watching this video, follow me or subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.